初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, everyone.
大家早上好。
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, everyone.
How was your weekend?
How was your weekend?
你周末过得怎么样？
How was your weekend?
How was your weekend?
I have a meeting today.
I have a meeting today.
我今天有个会议。
I have a meeting today.
I have a meeting today.
The meeting starts at 9.
The meeting starts at 9.
会议9点开始。
The meeting starts at 9.
The meeting starts at 9.
Let's start the meeting.
Let's start the meeting.
我们开始会议吧。
Let's start the meeting.
Let's start the meeting.
Please take a seat.
Please take a seat.
请坐。
Please take a seat.
Please take a seat.
Can I ask a question?
Can I ask a question?
我可以问个问题吗？
Can I ask a question?
Can I ask a question?
Can you repeat that?
Can you repeat that?
你能重复一遍吗？
Can you repeat that?
Can you repeat that?
Can you explain it again?
Can you explain it again?
你能再解释一遍吗？
Can you explain it again?
Can you explain it again?
Let's work together.
Let's work together.
我们一起工作吧。
Let's work together.
Let's work together.
I agree with you.
I agree with you.
我同意你的观点。
I agree with you.
I agree with you.
I don't agree with that.
I don't agree with that.
我不同意那个观点。
I don't agree with that.
I don't agree with that.
That's a good idea.
That's a good idea.
那是个好主意。
That's a good idea.
That's a good idea.
Let's try another way.
Let's try another way.
我们试试别的方法吧。
Let's try another way.
Let's try another way.
Can you send me an email?
Can you send me an email?
你能给我发封邮件吗？
Can you send me an email?
Can you send me an email?
Can you check this file?
Can you check this file?
你能检查一下这个文件吗？
Can you check this file?
Can you check this file?
Can you print this paper?
Can you print this paper?
你能打印这份文件吗？
Can you print this paper?
Can you print this paper?
Can you sign this form?
Can you sign this form?
你能签一下这份表格吗？
Can you sign this form?
Can you sign this form?
Please call me later.
Please call me later.
请稍后给我打电话。
Please call me later.
Please call me later.
Please wait a moment.
Please wait a moment.
请稍等。
Please wait a moment.
Please wait a moment.
Please speak slowly.
Please speak slowly.
请说慢一点。
Please speak slowly.
Please speak slowly.
I need more time.
I need more time.
我需要更多时间。
I need more time.
I need more time.
I need some help.
I need some help.
我需要一些帮助。
I need some help.
I need some help.
I am very busy now.
I am very busy now.
我现在很忙。
I am very busy now.
I am very busy now.
I will finish it soon.
I will finish it soon.
我很快就会完成。
I will finish it soon.
I will finish it soon.
I will send it tomorrow.
I will send it tomorrow.
我明天会发送。
I will send it tomorrow.
I will send it tomorrow.
I will call you later.
I will call you later.
我稍后会给你打电话。
I will call you later.
I will call you later.
Can we talk now?
Can we talk now?
我们现在可以谈谈吗？
Can we talk now?
Can we talk now?
Can we talk after lunch?
Can we talk after lunch?
我们午饭后可以谈谈吗？
Can we talk after lunch?
Can we talk after lunch?
Let's take a short break.
Let's take a short break.
我们休息一会儿吧。
Let's take a short break.
Let's take a short break.
Let's have lunch together.
Let's have lunch together.
我们一起吃午饭吧。
Let's have lunch together.
Let's have lunch together.
Do you want some coffee?
Do you want some coffee?
你想喝点咖啡吗？
Do you want some coffee?
Do you want some coffee?
Do you want some water?
Do you want some water?
你想喝点水吗？
Do you want some water?
Do you want some water?
I will be late today.
I will be late today.
我今天会迟到。
I will be late today.
I will be late today.
I want to take a day off.
I want to take a day off.
我想请一天假。
I want to take a day off.
I want to take a day off.
I need to leave early.
I need to leave early.
我需要早点离开。
I need to leave early.
I need to leave early.
The boss is very kind.
The boss is very kind.
老板非常友善。
The boss is very kind.
The boss is very kind.
My coworkers are nice.
My coworkers are nice.
我的同事很好。
My coworkers are nice.
My coworkers are nice.
I enjoy my work.
I enjoy my work.
我喜欢我的工作。
I enjoy my work.
I enjoy my work.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
明天见。
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。